found a super simple strategy for beginner traders to be able to enter into trades, and it's simply called the break and retest strategy. I'm going to teach you exactly what it is, and I'm going to show you on 2 live trades exactly what we did so you can do it too. So first, let's define what break and retest is. It is the breaking of a particular level, retesting or revisiting that level, then continuing in the previous trend. And we take advantage of that for a possible entry. So for example, if we have a level, my arm being the level, right? And we break through it to the upside, this would be resistance, and we break through it to the upside, we want to see a retest or revisit this level, then continue in the upward trend. This is where we'll be interested in a possible call. Same thing on a down play, right? Think of this level as a level of support. If price was in a downtrend, breaks to that level of support, we'd want it to retest or revisit that level and then continue in a downtrend, would be interested in a play. All right, so now I'm going to actually show you on the chart actual trades that we took live, and I'm going to give you an indicator that's going to be super helpful for you to be able to find these levels and take the guessing out of it. So let's go to the charts. All right, y'all, let's break these down. These 2 trades that we were able to take live with our friends, and I'm going to show you exactly what we did. So first things first, you're going to need your indicator to help with your levels. If you're a complete beginner and drawing levels might be something new to you, this indicator will definitely help you with that. So go to the indicator section here on tradingview.com, and what you're going to want to type in is pivot, okay? And pivot's going to bring up pivot point standard, and what that is just key levels where prices reacted previously. So it's going to give you these orange levels. You don't have to change anything. All right. Another thing that is important to you in regards to levels is pre-market levels. I like to draw pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, and previous day low. All that is, y'all, is the highest point during pre-market data and the lowest point during pre-market data, okay? And my pre-market is this orange area here. So my pre-market levels are these yellow dotted lines. That's what that signifies. Now, when we were talking about the break and retest that we talked about earlier, what does that look like? Just like this here, we have a nice downtrend. And mind you, y'all, we took this live with everyone online. There's a nice downtrend happening here. And with that downtrend, then we got a break of a particular level, okay? So once you have this indicator on your chart, you are going to be using this level to see if we can get a break of this level and a retest of this level, right? We want to make sure that it's a confirmed move in our favor, okay? And when it comes to that, we get that with this push to the downside here, right? And then that is where we have the break of the break and retest strategy that we were talking about. Now, the retest candle is here, is literally touching it again, and then we get the push down in the direction or the previous trend, right? The continuation of the previous trend. Now, our entry is down here and our stop loss is simply on the opposite side of that key level or that pivot point. And what an awesome move to the downside. Go ahead and watch us take this trade live with our friends. All right, if you took a spy with me this morning, go ahead and put a 1 in the chat for me. You took a spy this morning with us? Okay. Oh, SPX. Cool. All right. Very nice move. Before 10 o'clock. Now, this is how cool this is, my friends. You can use the same strategy on the same ticker in a whole nother day. So I'm just showing you, we're simply going over in price action, and that was Tuesday, and now we are on Wednesday, okay? And even if you don't know anything about trading, my friends, anything at all, if this is your first time looking, it is a great time to get into it and to get started because of the simple fact that the stock market is here. And if you are aware of it and you have something that a strategy or a system that you can use to say, hey, if this happens, then I do this, then it's going to better your chances of actually having longevity in the market and using this as what it's supposed to be, as a tool to generate some income. So if you have not done so yet, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe this video. Help me get this video to 1,000 likes. All right, y'all. So the next day, I'm not gonna lie, on the same ticker, I didn't switch that. We're still using the same indicator, y'all. Y'all don't need a lot of stuff. This is the cool thing about trading. You don't need a lot of stuff. And the same indicator here is giving us an awesome level, 689, okay? 689. I want you to see that we do get a nice break of this level here, right? We get a nice push to the downside. But is that your reason to get in? Did I teach you that? No. We need a what? A break, and then a what? A retest. Good job. You're following along. Good. And the retest is simply what? Revisiting that level, and we get that here. We got the retest now we need our entry, and our entry is simply with this candle when we get a push down below the retest candle, and our stop loss is simply on the opposite side of that level. Okay, 689 is a great level here. As you can see, it's a whole, it doesn't have its ends and zeros. And then how about this, y'all? If you ever trade SPY or QQQ, you understand that from 689 down to our next level, 686.64. How cool is that, right? That is an almost $4 move on SPY. Yeah, let me get that all day. That is in options. You are making money there, okay? And you did not have to second guess. You did not have to look for a crystal ball. You simply waited for your entry, had the confidence to take it, take profit, and profit off a $4 move on SPY. Let's do that all day. Okay, watch us take this amazing trade live. We just caught this amazing trade on SPY. We took a few green trades. If you caught any of them, SPY, had to write them down. SPY, QQQ, Meta, IWM, Amazon. Go ahead and put a 1 in the chat for me, because there was like so many. I literally had to take a post-it note of how many green trades we caught, you know? So how cool is that? Almost 50% trade on SPY. Qs took it to the downside here. It's not even 11 o'clock yet, y'all. Let's go. It's a Tuesday. Before 11 o'clock, we made 50%, 40%. How cool. How cool. Multiple green trades. So way to go to you. Make sure you put them profits to the profit channel. Lock it in. People ain't gonna believe us, y'all. So that's why you gotta take screenshots. You gotta take screenshots, y'all. Make sure you have like an album logging your trades for the year, y'all. This gonna be a different year. 2026 gonna be different. Keep records to show your growth. I specialize in helping beginner traders, completely new to this world. I was a former elementary school teacher for over 15 years, so simplicity is, you know, my jam. I love teaching individuals that thought something was going to be difficult, a simple way to look at the charts. And just as simply as I taught you how to use a break and retest strategy using pivot points to find a favorable entry into a trade, is how I like to break stuff down inside of the group. We have an exclusive beginner masterclass that is a part of the academy. So once you join, you get access to that also. So if you're interested and you say, hey, I'm really ready to get started, but I need something simple that I can follow, something that I can actually see and understand what's going on, that is going to be for you. So all you have to do is go ahead and comment the word trade down below, or simply click the first link in my description and look out for our exclusive beginner masterclass, where we break down things as simply as what a candlestick is, the parts of it, so that you can not only understand the charts, but have a confidence to take your first, 4th, 5th, 10th trade. Okay, so my friends, I hope you enjoyed the break and retest strategy using pivot points to help you enter into a trade. If you like this video, make sure you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I love doing videos like this. Comment down below if there's something else that has been like troubling you in your trading journey, something that you want me to break down in a simple way. I love reading my comments and I love answering questions, because hey, we have these market, we need to all be able to use this for what it's meant for, to make this money. Okay, so go ahead and let me know if you liked it and if there's something else I can help you with. All right, until further ado, or next time, I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year. All right.